Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm so glad that you're here, and welcome back if you have been. Today I'm going to make a simple and easy chicken and dumpling recipe. Now I've tried different kinds of recipes forever, and I made this one I think I was about 15, and it's still the best one, the easiest one that you can just throw together and have dinner on the table in no time at all. So let's get going. We're going to start with 3 chicken breasts, 2 normal, and 1 gigantic one. When we get that in the pot, we are going to add some water to it. I like to add enough water to cover the chicken. So I'm going to add some chicken bouillon, about 3 tablespoons of that. Gives it really good flavor along with the chicken breast. This is new to me. It's Buttery Steakhouse. I believe it's Kinder brand. So I'm going to use that. It smells like butter, so it couldn't be bad in there, and it wasn't. So just add some of that to the top. Now normally I would add onions and carrots and celery, but Riley was eating with us that night, and if it had a speck of orange, she wasn't going to eat it. So I just chose to put some onion powder in there and kind of sneak in a little flavor that way. So I just added, it was probably a teaspoon or so of that. And these are Amish noodles, and they're my favorite, and they're wide, they're extra wide Amish noodles from Little Barn. My uncle sends those to me from Pennsylvania. So my chicken breasts are cooked, so I'm going to let them sit to the side for a little bit, cool just a little bit so I can handle them and cut them. And I'm adding in my noodles now. So once those are in there, I'll give it a good stir, and then I'm going to cover it and just let those noodles cook while I start on the dumplings. So what you'll need for the dumplings is 2 cups of self-rising flour, and I have that in a bowl here. And these are the simplest ones that you can make. And this is that butter steak seasoning, and I just figured it would give the dumplings good flavor. So I put some of that in there. After that, I added some parsley flakes. They're dried parsley flakes. Now you can add whatever seasonings are your favorite to this. You can throw anything in there basically that you like. I just kind of like this combination. So after the parsley flakes, right there, I'm going to turn down the stove because it's boiling just a little too fast for me. But I'm going to add some oregano. Now, a lot of people will add Italian seasoning. There's something in there that I don't like, so I always use oregano instead of Italian seasoning. Anyway, we're going to add some milk. I always have 2% milk on hand, and I start with a cup. So once I get that cup in there, I'm going to mix it together just to see how much more milk I'll need. Now you could probably stop at this point or add just a little bit more milk, and you could flour your surface and roll these out like regular dumplings and cut them and put them in there. But I prefer to use a spoon to spoon them in, which you're going to see me do now. Once the noodles are coming to a rolling boil, that's when I like to do my dumplings. Now the noodles aren't quite where I want them to be. I want them almost done but not completely done before I add my dumplings. But that gives me time to cut up the chicken and add it back to the pot. And then we'll get that back up to a rolling boil again so we can start adding dumplings. And now I'm going to start adding my dumplings in by the spoonful. So once you got those going, then we're just going to pop a lid on it and let it simmer for a little while. Most people say just to let these simmer until they're cooked through, but I like to turn my dumplings over. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to flip each one and then let them cook some more. But first, I got to get Riley some noodles out because she does not eat dumplings. She will eat the chicken and the noodles. And now that it's a little while, they are done. And here is my plate, one giant dumpling in there. But these are so good and so easy. So you guys let me know if you give this a try and how you liked it. I really hope that you will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you to get in your kitchen and create something. Hit that follow button if you haven't already so you don't miss any recipes. I upload videos once a week. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.